Welcome to my channel Tech Truth Review. Roku remote not working? Here's how to fix it fast. Is your Roku remote suddenly not working? Don't worry, this video shows quick and easy ways to fix it. From checking the batteries and resetting the remote to repairing it with your Roku device, we cover every solution step by step. Whether you have a standard or voice remote, you'll get your Roku working again in minutes. Check and replace batteries. Issue: weak or dead batteries are the most common cause of a non-responsive Roku remote. Fix: remove the battery cover and replace the batteries with fresh, high-quality AA or AAA batteries, depending on your remote model. Ensure proper polarity, plus alignment. If the remote has a battery level indicator, check it via the Roku settings. Settings in GT, remotes in GT, battery level. For low battery levels, replace immediately. Tip: avoid using rechargeable or low-quality batteries, as they may not provide consistent power. Restart your Roku device. Issue: a temporary glitch in the Roku device or remote connection can cause unresponsiveness. Fix: unplug your Roku device from the power source, wait 10-15 seconds, and plug it back in. Alternatively, perform a soft restart. Settings in GT, System in GT, System Restart. After restarting, test the remote again. Tip: this resets the connection for both standard IR, infrared, and enhanced Wi-Fi remotes. Repair the enhanced Wi-Fi remote. Issue: enhanced Roku remotes, using Wi-Fi, not IR, may lose pairing with the device. Fix: ensure your Roku is powered on and within Wi-Fi range. Open the battery compartment and press the pairing button, usually purple or black, near the batteries, for 3-5 seconds until the pairing light flashes. Wait for the on-screen pairing prompt to confirm the connection, may take up to 30 seconds. If it fails, restart the Roku and repeat. Tip: ensure no physical obstructions block the remote signal to the device. Check for infrared, IR, remote line of sight. Issue: standard IR Roku remotes require a clear line of sight to the Roku device. Fix: point the remote directly at the Roku device, ensuring no objects, e.g., furniture, glass, block the path. Test from a closer distance, within 10 feet. Clean the IR sensor on the Roku and the remote's emitter with a soft cloth to remove dust. Tip: IR remotes don't need pairing but rely on direct visibility, unlike Wi-Fi remotes. Resolve Wi-Fi interference, enhanced remotes. Issue: Wi-Fi interference can disrupt enhanced remote functionality. Fix: move the Roku device and remote away from other electronics, e.g., microwaves, cordless phones, or routers. Ensure the Roku is connected to a strong Wi-Fi network. Settings in GT, network in GT, check connection. If the signal is weak, relocate the Roku closer to the router or use a Wi-Fi extender. Tip: switch your router to a less congested Wi-Fi channel, e.g., 1, 6, or 11 on 2.4 GHz, to reduce interference. Update Roku software and remote firmware. Issue: outdated software or firmware can cause compatibility issues with the remote. Fix: check for updates. Settings in GT, System in GT, System Update in GT, check now. Ensure your Roku device is connected to the internet. If the remote is unresponsive, use the Roku mobile app, available on iOS, Android, to navigate and update. The app can act as a temporary remote via Wi-Fi. Tip: enable automatic updates to prevent future issues. Reset and replace the remote if necessary. Issue: persistent issues may indicate a defective remote or unresolvable software glitch. Fix: Perform a factory reset on the Roku device. Settings in GT. System in GT. Advanced system settings in GT. Factory reset. Note: this erases all settings and apps. If the remote still doesn't work, contact Roku support for a warranty check or replacement. You can purchase a new Roku remote, IR or enhanced, from Roku's website or retailers like Amazon for $15–30. Tip: test with the Roku mobile app to confirm if the issue is remote-specific before replacing. Additional notes: if you're unsure whether your remote is IR or enhanced, check the battery compartment for a pairing button, present on enhanced remotes. For ongoing issues, contact Roku support at support.roku.com or check their troubleshooting page for model-specific advice. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment to our channel. Thank you for watching.